Alright guys, this pine's about over with, thank God. It's getting everywhere. It's just sticky stuff, man. That pitch gets all over the mill. I'm not a fan of pine. So here's our last 6-inch cant to cut into 1x6s. And something unique about this mill, well, not really unique about the mill, but unique about the Accuset feature, is that used to when I saw, I start from the top and I hit the setworks button and just work my way down whatever thickness I set it on. Usually 9/4. But with this Accuset, you can start from the bottom and work your way up. So in case you're wondering why in the world would you want to start at the bottom and work your way up to start at the top. Well, here's my reasoning behind that on this cant. Right here's the pith right in the middle. And if you watch this channel for any amount of time, you know you always try to center that pith in one board. If you don't like to put it in 2 different boards, that's the worst part of this whole log. So you try to capture it in one board to make the less waste. So the auto up feature is really going to be handy in cases like this, because I can start right here below the pith and put my blade where I want it and then start cutting up, and that guarantees the heart right here will be trapped inside of one board and not in 2. Anyways guys, I thought that was pretty interesting about the Accuset, and that Accuset will do more things that I even know about. I read about it last night and there's just so many things it will do, but that's one thing I thought was very interesting, was the auto up. So, you know, in my idea, the best reason behind doing that is so you can capture the pith. So let's get this one knocked out and we'll call it a day.